Waterdrop TSA is an affordable under-counter water filter that uses sediment and carbon filters to remove chlorine, odor, and cysts without producing any wastewater. But it does not fully remove PFAS, fluoride, or all harmful TDS, and it can noticeably slow down your flow rate. So in this video, we will analyze its contaminant removal, water flow rate, and ease of usage to help you decide if Waterdrop TSA is actually worth your money. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Let's start with contaminant removal. The Waterdrop TSA uses a three-stage design with up to 2-micron precision. The first stage is a PP cotton filter blended with KDF media, which captures rust, sand, and dust while also inhibiting bacterial growth and reducing some heavy metals. The second stage is granular activated carbon infused with anion exchange resin. This helps remove chlorine and odor while reducing fluoride to a limited extent. The third stage is a carbon block filter designed to remove residual chlorine, improve the taste and quality of water before it reaches your tap. Their carbon filter is IAPMO certified against NSF 42 for chlorine, taste and odor, and NSF 53 for cyst removal. However, like all carbon-only systems, it won't completely remove TDS as confirmed by multiple user reports. For complete harmful TDS removal, you would need a reverse osmosis system like the Waterdrop G3 series. Waterdrop does offer an optional 0.01 micron ultrafiltration version for finer purification, and if your city water has excess chloramine instead of chlorine, you can upgrade to their CM filter designed specifically for chloramine reduction. Several users who tested their water found strong nitrate reduction, which suggests good adsorption efficiency for certain contaminants. Same with bad chlorine taste and odor. But PFAS and fluoride removal remains limited as expected. Also, remember that this system won't remove water hardness. So, if your home receives mineral-heavy water or faces scaling problems due to untreated well water, you must install additional water softener before it. Now let's move on to water flow rate and design. The official flow rate of this system is 1 gallon per minute, which is noticeably slower than other under-sink RO systems, as they don't use an electrical pump for a consistent flow. If your house already has low incoming water pressure, this could be a deal breaker, but if you have strong water pressure, your flow rate can be acceptable and usable for daily tasks. The upside is that the TSA doesn't waste any water because it does not use a reverse osmosis membrane. The system is compact, sleek, and easy to fit under most sinks without occupying much space, and when installed properly, it does not leak. Plus, Waterdrop's customer support is known to send replacement parts promptly if any connectors or fittings give trouble. Now let's head over to ease of installation. Setting up the Waterdrop TSA is fairly straightforward. The company provides a detailed manual and video walkthroughs, and most users can set it up without needing a plumber. The system must be connected to a cold water supply only, and you should flush the filters with tap water for 5 minutes before the first use. If you notice leakage at any threaded connection, add Teflon tape around the external thread. If leakage occurs at a quick connect port, make sure the hose is inserted all the way to the bottom of the fitting. If your filtered water appears white for a few seconds but then clears from bottom to top, that's not contamination. It's just tiny air bubbles trapped inside the new filters, which disappear after a few uses. But there is no filter life indicator, so you need to keep track of filter changes yourself. Now let's analyze the ease of maintenance. The PP cotton sediment filter lasts around 6 months. The granular carbon filter lasts 8 to 12 months, and the carbon block filter can last between 12 and 18 months, depending on water quality and usage. The total annual replacement cost comes to around $121, which is comparable to most under-sink RO systems. You can replace the filters easily without tools thanks to its twist and lock mechanism. Finally, let's head over to warranty and customer support. Waterdrop provides a 1-year warranty on the unit. Their customer support is generally helpful and responsive, as reported by multiple user reviews. They guide you through leaks, installation questions, and even send replacement units if needed. With everything said and done, here's the key takeaway. The Waterdrop TSA is a pretty decent under-sink filter for homeowners who simply want to remove chlorine, improve taste, and get odor-free water without wasting water like an RO system. But its limitations in removing harmful TDS, such as PFAS and heavy fluoride, along with its slower flow rate, do hold it back for those expecting deeper purification. So if you want more advanced under-sink systems that removes all harmful TDS, check out this video next.